How to fix Windows Update error 0x800700643. 1. Rename the software distribution folder at c:\windows\soft_twa redistribution in Windows Safe mode. Plan B, run. These commands as admin, netstop wowserve netstop bits rename c:\windows\soft_twa redistribution software distribution.bog netstart wowserve netstart bits 2. Clear cache 2 folder contents. Run these commands as admin, netstop cryptsvcmd system root /system 32 cache 2.olds copy system root system 32 cache 2 system root system 32 cache 2.olds /s3. Run Windows Update Troubleshooter. 4. Install Windows updates in its clean boot state.